to D2D Answers, where we answer questions authors have about draft to digital. Today, we're taking a look at how to edit your book assets, like your book cover and your actual manuscript. Do you have a book where you want to swap the cover out? What if you've decided on better search terms or BISAC designations? This one's for you. I'm going to take a look at my account for a book called Leaf Armor. So I've clicked the title of Leaf Armor, and that takes me to my View Book page with lots of details. If you want to do a quick price change, the widget to do that is just below the main header section on the View Book page. I'm focused on changing the other details this time, so I'm going to jump to Step 1 Details by clicking the little blue square that says 1 Details. From here, I can edit my manuscript. I see that my latest manuscript was uploaded on July 28th of 2023, which is a long time ago. If I want to upload a newer version of the same book, I'd click this Browse button, which opens an explorer for files that are housed on my computer. Loading your new manuscript overwrites the old one. It could be a good idea to download the document on file first, just to make a backup. To edit any of your metadata, that is, your title or your book's front cover, you should first click to show shared metadata. You can see what all is editable here once it opens up, and yeah, I think it's time to change my cover. So, I need to scroll down to the bottom and click Edit Shared Metadata. This page should look really familiar to you since it's the first step in the book creation process, both for ebook and for print. Again, you can download your old cover for your records or click Browse to open that window to pick a file from your computer. I'll load a new book cover now. Did I spend way too long creating an alternate cover for this pretend title just for this video? Yes, I did. Scrolling down to the bottom, I've decided to add another BISAC. I can type into the box to filter the options. Click the plus to toggle sections open or closed, and make my selection. Or not. I decided not to in the end. My current BISAC includes an erotic designation, so you can just barely see the supplemental erotic title information below. You'll also note that I marked my book as inappropriate for minors. That means it's good for 18+. For the supplemental information, I don't have any taboo facets included, so I don't have to check any of these boxes. All I have to do now is check the box to certify my answers are correct. This is very important. We have a note here that says, clicking save, that's good, that's necessary. But we won't send your changes to any retailers until you go to the end of the process to the publishing page and make sure to submit your changes. This allows us to bundle all of your changes to send all at once. We can't possibly know if this is your only change, but for the sake of this video, it is. So since I know I don't have any other changes to make on this layout or interior of this book, I will submit the page and go back up to the top and click Step 4, Publish. It's a good practice to go through each page just in case to triple check that you've got everything just the way you want it. Once you've made it to the Publish page, make any distribution channel changes you might want and scroll until you see Apply Changes. Ta-da! You've successfully changed out all the assets for your book. If you have any other questions about draft to digital, feel free to ask in the comments. If you feel you've learned something, please give us a thumbs up so we know what kind of content to bring you in the future. If you're as D2D obsessed as we are, you'll want to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Every Thursday, we host live events bringing interviews that give you a peek inside the industry and a fun time and chat with other authors. This has been D2D Answers. Until next time!